ELITECAD Mechanics 17 is here. Here is an overview of the most important new features. The new parameter management brings optimal structure to your projects, with a graphical preview, search function, filter options and favorites. Everything at a glance, everything quickly at hand. The flexible stair construction, 3D texts, and freely generatable line types offer more freedom when modeling. You can now insert QR codes directly with copy and paste for additional information directly in the plan, from component data sheets to videos. The new version is also a true performance champion, whether importing large point clouds, navigating the model, or simply modeling with the new 3D cutting box. ELITECAD Mechanics 17 responds smoothly and precisely without the need for special hardware. Advanced lighting and camera functions ensure compelling presentations. With grouped light sources, animated scenes, and new library parts, you can create realistic visualizations with just a few clicks. Camera paths can be managed and adjusted directly and exported in the appropriate format, ideal for portrait format videos of your projects on social media. The VR mode directly integrated into ELITECAD has also been improved. The integrated OpenXR interface takes virtual reality to a new level, through natural movement and interaction in VR, but also through maximum hardware compatibility. New interfaces such as IFC 4.3 and the Plan Radar plugin ensure efficient collaboration. And thanks to the new Texture Import Manager, you can import high-quality materials and textures directly from ELITECAD into your project, free of charge and for commercial use. There have also been changes to our add-on modules. We have expanded the terrain module and fundamentally revised the piping module in terms of handling. That is engineering made easy. Curious about the details? Discover all the new features on our website. Enjoy!